You've been trying to lose weight, but calorie counting feels like a never-ending math problem, right? Well, today, I've got some great news for you. We're diving into the 8 most effective ways to lose weight without counting calories. Imagine shedding those extra pounds without the constant stress of monitoring your food intake. We're going to explore scientifically backed strategies that focus on holistic health, ensuring you not only lose weight, but also feel amazing. From tweaking your diet to adopting simple lifestyle changes, we'll cover everything you need to know. First up, let's talk about protein. Increasing your protein intake can be a game changer for weight loss. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer and boosts metabolism. Think about incorporating more lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils into your meals. These foods are nutrient-dense and can help curb those midday snack cravings. When you start your day with a protein-rich breakfast like eggs or Greek yogurt, you set yourself up for success. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbs, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. So next time you plan your meals, remember to prioritize protein. Just making a conscious effort to include more protein in your diet can make a significant difference. Water, the elixir of life. It's often overlooked, but drinking more water is a simple yet powerful way to aid weight loss. Hydration is crucial for maintaining your body's functions and plays a significant role in weight management. Research indicates that drinking water can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for about an hour after consumption. Imagine starting your day with a glass of water before breakfast. Not only does it help wake up your digestive system, but it also makes you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Throughout the day, aim to replace sugary drinks or sodas with water. If plain water feels too bland, try adding a slice of lemon or a few cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. So keep that water bottle handy and sip your way to a healthier you. Sleep. It's your body's natural reset button, and getting enough of it is pivotal for weight loss. Studies have consistently shown that lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite, and less leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. Prioritizing sleep can help regulate these hormones, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Ensure your sleeping environment is conducive to rest. A cool, dark, and quiet room can do wonders. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body the time it needs to repair, rejuvenate, and prepare for the next day. Stress. It's a silent saboteur when it comes to weight loss. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating, where you turn to comfort foods high in sugar and fat. This happens because stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that increases appetite and can lead to abdominal fat storage. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can be incredibly effective. Studies have shown that these practices can lower cortisol levels, helping to reduce stress and its impact on your body. Consider incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, as exercise is a proven stress buster. Additionally, hobbies and activities that bring you joy can help distract your mind from stressors and prevent emotional eating. Social support is also crucial. Surround yourself with positive influences and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Remember, reducing stress is a journey, not a destination. Mindful eating. It's about paying full attention to your food and the experience of eating. This practice helps develop a healthier relationship with food. Notice hunger and fullness cues to prevent overeating. Eliminate distractions during meals. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus on your food. Savor each bite, noticing flavors, textures, and aromas. This helps you recognize when you're satisfied. Studies show mindful eating reduces binge eating and promotes weight loss. So next time you sit down for a meal, take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. Exercise is a cornerstone of any weight loss journey. It helps burn calories, boost metabolism, and improves mood. Find an activity you enjoy for sustainability. Start with activities like walking, jogging, or cycling. Dancing is also a great way to get moving. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. Strength training is important too. Build muscle with squats, lunges, and push-ups. Mix it up to challenge different muscles. Consistency is key. Celebrate your progress. Whole foods. They're nature's gift to us, packed with nutrients and free from artificial additives. Eating whole foods is a simple yet effective way to support weight loss and overall health. These foods are minimally processed, meaning they retain their natural goodness, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds into your diet. These foods are not only nutrient-dense, but also low in calories, making them perfect for weight loss. The fiber content in whole foods helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. Avoiding processed foods is equally important. Cooking at home is another great way to ensure you're eating whole foods. Making small, consistent changes to your diet can lead to significant improvements over time. Intermittent fasting. It's more than just a diet trend, it's a powerful tool for weight loss. This eating pattern involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, which can help reduce calorie intake and improve metabolic health. Scientific studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss and fat reduction. There are several methods to choose from, such as the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Find a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Intermittent fasting works by allowing your body to tap into its fat stores for energy during the fasting periods. It's important to listen to your body and ensure you're getting enough nutrients during your eating windows. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to fuel your body and support your weight loss goals. If done correctly, it can be a highly effective strategy for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. And there you have it, the 8 most effective ways to lose weight without counting calories. These strategies are not just about shedding pounds, they're about creating a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Remember, it's the small, sustainable changes that lead to lasting results. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and share your thoughts or any other tips you found useful in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.